Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of video which I'm going to play for you to see how it works, how you can create 2D and 3D video animations with just one single tool without having any experience, any video animation experience and any video editing experience. So let's dive right into it. So guys, this is a sample video of what I use the tool to create and what the tool can help you create through a template. I use a template. I just edited the template to my taste, right? And that makes me achieve this particular outcome. So this is going to be the kind of thing that you'll be able to create and much more. You understand? So when I get to where I'm going to show you how the template works, you are going to see different kind of videos that you can actually create with this. So just imagine you're able to create videos like this even if you have zero video animation or video editing skill. You understand? So I'm going to dive right into the video on how this actually works so you can know how to make use of it. And also for those that they won't be able to know how to go about or make use of the tool. You understand? You know, there are some people that don't even have any video editing skill at all, or they don't even know how to go around using computer to do stuff like that or to open software. You understand? So this particular series of videos are still going to help you and still boost you to learn how to go through it, how to go with it step by step. You can see everything is listed here. You understand? These are everything you need. You can see learning parts to know how to make use of the tool fully. I mean, for those that still don't know how to do video editing at all, you understand? Even those that don't know how to use any tool to do any video editing, but those that have a little bit of skill, even if you know how to use computer, is something that is really user friendly. You just need to click it the way I explained the video, you understand, and you'll be able to edit anything you want on the videos. Yeah guys, so this is the tool that we're going to be using, and it has series and thousands upon thousands of templates that you can use and in different dimensions. Even though I'm going to be showing you how to use those templates, and I'm going to be scrolling through those templates one after the other so you see what's in there, right? And you'll notice that the tool right here is I have access to the lifetime VIP access. You understand? So instead of you paying for the monthly plan, paying a lot of dollars for the monthly plan, yearly plan, so you'll be able to get it from me for the lifetime activated access. So you make sure you check the link in the description below to get it. You understand? It's going to redirect you to my WhatsApp or to the link to get it. So now let me show you the original payment plan if you want to be using this tool like the normal way. You understand? But you can see my own. I have the lifetime premium license, which is what I am going to be giving you as well. But this is the original plan, which I won't want you to waste your money and go for. You can see $27 per month. Imagine paying $27 per month, and that should be equivalent to around almost or more than 40,000 naira per month, not even a lifetime. You understand? And this is even the basic package, and this is the package I have, which is the package of the $47 per month, which I have the lifetime access to. You understand? Just imagine paying $47. That is way too much. That is over 80,000 naira or almost 100,000 naira just for this tool. So if you want the lifetime access to hit, you understand, without paying for any of this, and you are going to have access to all the templates and everything that is provided in the tool, you understand, make sure you send me a DM or click on the link. You click on the link that is provided in the description of this video. So now we dive into the video. So you can see this is the tool right here, and you can see we have several number of templates. We have all templates. If you want to see all templates, you come here. We have the character explainer videos, we have the promotional videos, right? These are samples of promotional videos right here. You can see them. These are business videos, you understand, like digital marketing agencies and so on and so forth. If you are into any business or you want to create for any client or any person that's into any business, you can use this kind of templates. You can see promotion of mobile apps, the videos to showcase a mobile app and so on and so forth. Online webinar, you can see you can use this tool to create it as well. You can see we have local businesses right here. You can see for music, for beach, for beauty, videos for beauty. These are series of templates right here. YouTube videos, like YouTube YouTube closing templates, stuff like that, YouTube intro. All of that is actually here. YouTube reels, intro and outro, they are all here. You can see thanks for watching, something like that. And logo strings, you want to create logo animation, right? You must create logo animation. You can see several templates right here. So we have a lot of templates on this too. Yeah, so this is also for social media. They call it scroll stoppers. Yeah, there are still others right here. So you can go to each of the templates, each of the categories of templates right here. You can see we have different categories of templates. You can see this one. Let me say this one example. You can see that's a template right there. This is another template right here, right? So we can see we have a lots and lots of templates. So you can see this is a preview of this particular one. Let me say I want to preview that particular template. You know what's there. You can see this is for graphic design and so on, right? This is a preview of the video. So let me check another one. If I want to preview it, I can just hover on it and click on it. So it's going to show me a preview before I start editing it. So you can see how powerful this tool is to create 2D and 3D animations, right? So you can see this is a 3D video for beauty or stuff like that. You can see yeah, this is another one right here, and so much more. This is for sports. This is for Jesus story. You can see right here, this is a kind of character explainer video that you can use for church, right? This is very, very wonderful. So you can see, you can put the logo of the church right here and the name and change everything that you can see here is customizable. You can customize everything that you see. So this one you can use for videos, making videos on social media. You can see 5 tips to launch your brand, just to build your community. So you can see this is a doodle video. So this is a preview, right? This is a preview of the doodle video. That the hand is going to be sketching what is going to be presented. You can see we can use this tool for doodle videos, wonderful doodle videos, right? This is really wonderful. So we have series of templates right here for different things that you want. And another thing that you can do with this tool is you can also create videos from scratch. So when you hover on it, also you can use it. If you're a website designer, you can use this one. You can see get a new website. You can see how wonderful it is. Imagine using this kind of video to promote your website design business. This is really, really wonderful, and you have access to all of these templates right here. So you can see this one as well. It has loaded already. So you can see how wonderful it is. I'm going to go to the next slide. Fantastic. So you can see it's so great. So this is a 2D format of video, right? You can see that it creates both 2D and 3D. This is 2D. You can see that this person right here is a 2D character, right? So you can use for both 2D and 3D character videos. So these ones right here, they are 3D characters. See, this is a 3D character, right? So look at this one. Maybe you want to promote your course, and for this is that you can even customize anything to try to achieve anything as far as you have your content or the text that you need to use, right? So that is how wonderful this tool is, right? So that is for the character explainer part. So let's go to the part of the promotional videos. You can see we have promotional videos too. We have for business, we have local businesses, for YouTube, logo, you want to do logo animation, right? So you can see promotional videos right here. There are different promotional videos that you can also do apart from the 2D 3D explainer videos. You can see maybe you want to create a video for a conference or for a business, right? And so on and so forth. You can use this kind of templates. So you can see what we have right here. We have a lot of templates, a lot and unlimited number of templates right here. You can see. So let me play this for an example to show you a preview. So you can see that is a preview of what you can achieve with the things you can find with the under promotional videos, right? So let me show you this as well. You can see how creative this is. All these are really wonderful, and everything that you see there, both the text, the image, the animations, are all customizable. So you can customize everything. So I'm going to go back to the character explainer video. So I'm just going to select one of it. I'm going to select one of the videos, one of the templates random. let me look for one template that I will edit, right, so that I can show you how you can actually edit it after you get the tool, because everything right here is actually customizable. You can edit everything in the tool. So I would like to go with this particular one. Yeah, I would like to go with it. I'm going to edit this particular template. So this one is going to show you how you can actually go about editing any templates that you select, or you go to create new project, right? You can create from scratch if you actually have some skills when it comes to creating videos, right? So, and creating from scratch doesn't mean you won't get templates of characters. You're still going to get templates of characters, of tiles, of backgrounds, and everything. All the templates are still there, right? So that is still not going to be an issue for you. So you can see this is the one that we're going to customizing now. So let me now click on start editing. So you can see it's going to start loading it. Slides are also going to be there, or the elements are going to be there. You can see we have it right here. So if you scroll like this, you can see that we have everything here. So, and this is the part of the editing. This is the editor tool right here. So how we now start doing our editing? You notice that all these are actually in scene by scene. We have scene 1, we have scene 2, this is the second scene, we have the third scene right here. So if we come to the third scene, we can see what is in the third scene. This is the fourth scene, and we can see what is in the fourth scene. You can see this is the fifth scene. You can see what's in the fifth scene till the last scene. So another thing that you can do is you can zoom out on your timeline. This is what we call timeline right here. You can zoom in and zoom out. You can zoom in like this and zoom out, right? And you can also move it from one part to another. So that is how wonderful the tool is. And you can see the bits that they actually use. This is the bits in background. You can also fade in the intro of it and fade out. You can see it. You can do that, and also increase the volume or reduce the volume, right? You can also generate caption. You can also add effects, you can see, to it. So that is how wonderful this tool is. So we are going to start with the scene 1. So let us first check out the scene 1. You understand? Look at what's in scene 1. Hi, this is Steve. He has a business, right? So for me to edit that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the scene. So you can see that I have the text. This is something that even someone that has not even done anything called video editing can do. You understand? You can use this for your business, your own personal business. That is, you don't need to pay someone thousands of naira or dollars to create this for you. Or you can also start using this to start creating 2D, 3D doodles, promotional videos for people out there, right? So you can see I can just say hello, like change the hi into hello, right? So you can see that I'm just customizing just to make something different. So if you have, you can also follow what they already have there, just to tweak some things, or you have your own content, you replace everything with your content. You can also add scenes and also remove scenes. You can add characters and also remove characters or replace characters. So this is Daniel. You can see that from Steve I am able to change it to Daniel, right? He has an online business. Let me use that. He has an online business. So once you type everything here, anything that you type here is going to reflect on the main screen. Another thing you can do is you will notice that they actually have color, which is the white and purple, right? You can also change the color, you understand, to fit in your own brand color. Let me say, for example, this is my own brand color, and you can actually use gradients. That is the wonderful thing about this tool. You can also use gradients to make everything look nice, right? You can use gradients. So let me just go with the gradients, right? So if you want to change the first background, that is background 1, you can also do that right here. So let us play the stuff and see what we've done with the customization of the scene 1. So you can see that it's changed from hi to hello, you can see hello, you can see that our background right here has also what changed to gradient. It has changed to gradients. Everything here is actually customizable, right? So let me still, so you can see instead of this is Steve, it's changed it to this is Daniel. He has an online business. But if you look at this online business, you will notice that this business is actually touching the wall. Yeah, there's a way you can correct that. The way you can correct that is by you go deep inside the scene. You understand? You can actually go deep inside the scene by double clicking the scene. So you can see, so what you're going to do is that you can see that there's another group here. You just double click on the group, you double click on it, and it's going to take you into, yeah, it's going to take you to where all the elements are. You can see this guy right here. If you want to change this guy has different version of itself, you understand, of itself, right? So you can also change, you can decide to change this guy, right? And if you want to change the shape, you understand, you can also decide to change that shape. You can see the shape right there. Everything here is actually customizable. So this text is what we want to move, and we have the text already. So what I'm going to do is to just move it like this. You can see this is Daniel. He has an online business, right? So let us check if we are okay. Hello, this is Daniel. He has an online business. So this is really fantastic. So that is how you will be able to customize anything you want to the right targets, right? To the right targets of what you actually want. You can see, so you can also add animation. You can add animation by ease in, ease out to each element, right? You can add animation. So yeah, let me go back to the main timeline. Since I've actually achieved what I want with the first scene, so I'm going to go with the second scene, and I'm going to stop at the second scene so that you guys will just know how this to actually work. So this is the second scene right here, right? This is the second scene, and everything here also I can decide to customize the text, and if the text size or the text space is not enough for me, I can also change it, right? I can also change it. So that is how one of, so I can also save each scenes to my scenes, because you can see I have my scenes right here. So I can save each of these scenes to my scenes. I can save each of the scenes to my scenes. You can see I have all those scenes in my scenes already. Yeah, so let me just make customization here, right? This is because I went into it. So if I go into it, I can still make the same customization as before. You can see each element are here, and I'm able to customize anything and everything that I find here. So you can see that I can even scale up the text, scale down the text, right? Everything is editable. The alignment, I can decide to align to center or align to left, to change the text format to capital letters, right? I can change everything. I can even wrap up the words, you understand. Can decide to wrap the words. You can see word wrap, right? So I can off it and I can on it back. I can also give the text a shadow, right? You can play around with this too. Can play around with it. I can blend it with the background by maybe multiply. You can see screen, darken, lighting, soft lights, difference, and so on and so forth. I can decide to do that as well. So that is how well I can actually customize this. And you can see that this guy right here, I can decide to change the particular animation that is there. You can see that this animation that is here currently is the animation that is working on PC. So if I want to change it from working on PC to maybe where he jump in and wave his hand, or where is where he's holding a card, you can see it's already loading. So where is happy, where is checking his phone, maybe a call to action, where is sad, where is just sitting down, where is sitting and swiping tablets. You can see that is right here already. You can see that I've changed it, right? So I can just do well to expand or duplicate what I already have here, and I can decide to go to another one. Let me use another one. Vlogging, using phone, thumbs up, talking, variation, right? Let me just choose another one. Let me choose maybe happy. Maybe right here is supposed to be happy, right? You can see that it has changed. You can see that he is happy in this particular scene, right? Let me change to this. This is another one, like i5. This is like an i5. This is like an i5 animation. So I can just the same person, you understand? This is not that it's going to be a different person. This part is holding a card. I can also decide to even change his position, or maybe scale him up. This place, jump in and wave, I've used that already. I do the part that is I do, the part that is pointing, that is just pointing his hand, pushing an object, you can see. The part that is sad, you can see if you want to use that. And the part that is just sitting, the part that is sitting and swiping his tablets, you can see that. You can see that we can actually have different position or different action for him. The part that is taking selfie, you understand? Or let us now go back to the part that I was working on PC, which was the initial thing that he was actually doing, right? So that is how this thing works, these two works. And I can also customize this text right here. You can see I can change, but he needs to promote. That means I will come to the next one to promote it, right? You can see how I did the customization right there. Just within few seconds, everything is done, right? So with my customization, let me go back to the timeline and play from scene 1 to scene 2, and let us see if what I actually changed there really changed, right? So that you can see it for yourself. So let me go back to the timeline. I'm back to the timeline now, and I'm going to go back to the first scene, right, and play again from scratch. So let me click on play from scene 1. You can see that what I changed it to, but it needs to promote it. That was what I changed it to. And everything that you see here also can be customized. This is scene 3. You can see we help you grow up your business. You can change it to whatever you like. Don't forget, you can also customize the gradients. You can see how I'm able to customize the gradients. I can also look for the best part of gradients that I can give it, and I feel this is actually very okay for me, right? So once you are done, let us say we are already done with our customization like this. All of this is part of our customization. So what we are going to do is to publish, right? Is to publish. So when you click on publish, you can see that you can export it as an image, either PNG or JPG. You just click on select and output and export it as an audio, MP3 or WAV, and export it as a video. So you are going to be exported as a video, and you can either export it as low quality, standard quality, high quality, or custom quality. So let me go with the standard quality. So what is the end of it? Is it the last frame or empty frame? But you choose the last frame, right? So you can also customize what you like right here. So I'm going to select my output and out my output. So it says I need to save before I export. So let me click on this save, or you click on Ctrl S, right? Or you click on Ctrl S to save. You see the same thing. So I'm just going to name it with Meet Steve. Then click on save. So what else am I going to do? So once it's saved, it's still loading. So you can see it's going to show you right here that project is saved. So once it's saved, you now go back to your publish and select. So after you click on this select output, right, what you just do is you name it with what you want to name it. So let me just use Meet Daniel to name the video, right? So it's going to pop up this thing. It's going to pop up where it's going to render. You can see video processing, and the animation will start rendering in the formats that we select. You can see in MP4 animation /meetdaniel.mp4 is on 3%. You can see how it's moving. So let me go back. So you can see the rendering is totally completed now. It's on 100% complete, right? So it's going to load completely, and it's going to automatically save to your laptop. So that is how you are going to do it. So you can see, and what you can just do is you can open the folder, Sorry about that. You can open the folder or you open the files. So in this part of the video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually monetize, all the channels that you can use to monetize this skill, which is the 2D and 3D animation that I just explained to you earlier. So the first method I'll be showing you is through Fiverr. You can see this is fiverr.com, and I'm going to be showing you people services. People render the same services with the way they are making money, you understand? And it's the same method you can use on Upwork, to check on Upwork. So Upwork is also a freelancing platform, just as Fiverr. So other methods you can actually use is also like social media, like creating several videos, different videos, doing editing in different videos to create a good portfolio and be posting on your social media maybe 2 or 3 times a week, and be using good hashtags for 2D animation, because people that actually need the service, they used to look for an expert with the hashtag. So if you're able to rank with the hashtag, you are going to start getting messages from people. So that is applicable to all social media, like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and so on, and so Facebook, and so on and so forth. So let me just show you the part of Fiverr and show you those that are rendering that service already. So you can see these are the things that the tool can do: character animation, animated explainers, animation for kids, and so on and so forth. So let me just search for 2D. So yeah, let me search for 2D animation, 2D video animation on Fiverr. So this is going to be a sneak peek on what people are actually charging for this kind of service, you understand, for the 2D video animation, 3D video animation, cartoon animation, whiteboard, and so on and so forth, right? So I've searched for 2D video animation on Fiverr already, and you can see these are people's services, majorly called gig here on Fiverr. So you can see, look at this person now. He's offering his basic package from 4,000 euros, from 4,000 euros plus. This one is offering from 81 euros. That's his basic package. And if we actually check out his other packages, you will notice that it's going to be higher. So you can see this is the basic package, right? That should be around $90 or $100. You can see this is the standard, around $200, and this is the premium. So you can see that people are actually charging a lot of money, and you can see he has 2 orders on queue, that is 2 projects that he's working on currently that people placed order on. Look at this person, also has 2 projects that he's working on currently, and his basic package starts from $400 and something. You can see that shows that this skill is something that can actually earn you money, even if it's not here on Fiverr. You can see, even if it's not here on Fiverr that you render your service, even if it's on social media, or even you render to Nigerians or maybe foreigners or whatever, you understand, this is something that people are actually looking for. It's something creative and something people are ready to pay for, you understand? So it's going to actually make you a lot of money, because it will be so good for you to focus on it. And the tool that I showed you that you're going to be using is going to make it much more easier for you, even if you don't have the skill, even if you don't have video editing skill right from scratch. It is just something of drag and drop, you understand? All the characters are already there. It's not that you start creating characters on your own. You won't be creating background on your own. You won't be creating anything on your own. You just need to drag and drop, you understand? So it makes it very, very easy for you, unlike those that create from scratch, and within few minutes you are done with your work, and it's going to come out really great, right? It's going to come out really great. So that is to show you that this is actually something, it's actually a service that people are ready to pay for out there, regardless of the way you are able to monetize it, right? Regardless of the way you are able to monetize, people are ready to pay for it. So all right guys, we notice that the tool right here is I have access to the lifetime VIP access, you understand? So instead of you paying for the monthly plan, paying a lot of dollars for the monthly plan, yearly plan, so you'll be able to get it from me for the lifetime activated access. So you make sure you check the link in the description below to get it, you understand? It's going to redirect you to my WhatsApp or to the link to get it. So all right guys,